explain why it's awesome for people to call 811 before they do any type of excavation?
Well, it's probably the most important thing you can do before you even put a bucket or shovel inside the ground. So we would depend and rely on people such as yourself as 811 Mystic. Provide that service so we all get home every single day as a contractor, as an excavator, as a city, as any type of utility digging company. You have to call this to know that you get home safe. Thank you for your time and thank you for your services, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Have a good night.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for watching Miss Diggs. What's the 811? Remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Miss Diggs 811 before you dig.